only getting worse now. It's gonna be a blizzard.
Whatever you.
Now there's a title.
Now that's a
Our
title.
last video. You do clickbait, right?
The last video JBG ever done.
Really, Jack?
Don't be so mean, Jaja.
Off into the snowstorm.
There's another ding-dong ditch.
That's a big one.
Counting cars now.
Yeah, that's why we drive here, so we can count.
Oh, guess what I saw last week?
Oh,
There was this woman that got into the ditch, and she got stuck, right? So you know what she did?
what?
She got out of her car,
What?
go in the back of her car, and try to push the car forward.
What? Oh,
I don't know, some random girl in the ditch. I think it was in Ohio.
and is she successful?
Of course not.
Well, sometimes you get lucky.
There's no way you can push a 3,000-pound car.
I got stuck in a ditch in my van at my landlord's house, and I literally had to use my floor mats, the car mats,
Oh,
put them on the
time.
ground, and that's how I got
Look at
out.
that Tundra. Oh, that's not. Is that a Tundra? Huh?
Cat litter works too, Michelle.
I heard about that, yeah. I didn't put that in my car yet.
Oh, this wiper like bugs me. Oi, oi, you're too close. Oi, 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 oi. Why are they in the fast lane, Tatay?
I have no idea.
I think they just decided to follow. Oh. Really, Jaja?
Mama, I see your
Huh?
I see your leg holding onto the floor.
Oh, 2 more miles, 2 more miles. There's your blue juice, Daddy. Uh-oh, watch for that blink, 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 Tatay. Watch for that. Wang, wang, wang. I don't like that slash. Woo, what happened to that?
So, what's the countdown on this car?
We got only 5 yet. Oh, 6. Oh no. Oh, so can I get you the
No, what's
Yeah, at least here.
You're so heartless.
Shut it, Jack.
You're getting half of the snow and still going.
Okay, this is nothing. Remember when we got the snowstorm? Remember that we can hardly see the road with
Yeah.
slippery conditions. We don't sleep.
I feel like we're in those video games where you can drive to destination, right?
They're not good at
Or like it's one of those fire ones.
plowing their highway that time, right?
Yeah, and then
Nope.
like you know the cars that we passed, those were the cars people lost the game.
They were plowing it down south, not up here, which they needed more. I don't know why.
Yeah, I mean,
Jack. Imagine if Mama had hands for feet. She'd be grabbing the floor right now.
Me and Hunter were talking about that last night because we were looking at our toes and we had the same toes. I was like, and then Hunter said, Grant said that if she spreads her toes wide enough, it looks like a miniature man.
wow. Oh, there's the exit. That's it.
Of all the days that we could have gone on, why did you guys choose today?
Because of all the weekend, this is the weekend that you choose to come home. Right, that time? Remember, we asked you like Easter Sunday? No. We should change this wiper type.
You say
It's annoying. We should find AutoZone here in Green Bay.
Why? This is the last winter
Oh, that car in
store.
front of us looks like they're gonna slip.
Huh?
Did you see them back at the way? I did.
Stop it, Michelle.
I did. Did you see that? I did.
So where exactly do you guys want to go?
I don't know where's Michelle's going.
Huh?
We went for me now. I wanted to go to Toys R Us for Eli.
So
Because they're having
where are we
like
going?
closing
Toys R
sales.
Us?
Yeah,
Where's that?
I have no idea.
I'm fine with just going to Walmart.
Wow, you come to Green Bay for Walmart, Jaja. We got 3 Walmarts in Sheboygan. No, it's only 2.
Let's go to that pretzel place.
Huh?
What is it called? In the mall, there's like that one that has cinnamon pretzels.
Oh, just go in the mall because it's too early.
You are starved.
I want to bring you to the restaurant. Like, it's too early for you to eat. Oh, there's a cup. Oh, another. That's the 7th one. There's another one. See?
7th car there.
What? There was no further.
Yeah, we need to change this wiper time.
Up here.
You can hardly see it. It's annoying.
7th car. They drove into the ditch.
It's a ding dong ditch day.
Okay. Find AutoZone in Green Bay.
Sweatshirt and I was like,
I'm glad I put this one.
it's a lot nicer. I feel like they're so worried about me usually because I always brought my sweatshirt.
Did you drive yourself to go?
No,
Obviously.
Yeah, my dad was there.
My dad drives.
But she was like so worried. She's like, Jack, here, you need another jacket. It's shaking on you. But what are you
What's that time?
Who said that?
Yeah, it was really funny. Mainly the audience singing at the end.
Yeah.
Because there was like a bunch of like, you know those like songs from the old times or like talking about how like
AutoZone
they
is
once
3
old
miles.
West when,
Yeah.
old songs. So we made everyone sing it and they're like, yeah, everyone's here recording, so they probably know the lyrics. And so they made like they played like 5 quick songs and everyone was singing it and they would stop the music and everyone would like continue singing it. And the joke was like, see, I told you guys. And then there's this like Filipino woman off to the side, like by us.
Yeah.
And she kept like screaming, or I don't know if she was Filipino, she was out Filipino, she was really loud. She like kept screaming down the stage.
What?
We were out up in the balcony.
Yeah.
And it was like about this dirty joke that I cannot say right now.
Yeah.
But she was like saying, yeah, it does matter, it does matter.
Oh
and
my
then he
God.
like replies back to her and like basically roasts her, and then all the crowd was like, oh! And then he was talking about credit and how credit's better than, you know, like the dirty jokes.
Yeah.
And then yeah, just fix your credit if you have, you know. And then there's this Filipino up in the front named Dan, and he was like, look at, you're here sitting up front, and she's up there sitting up. So obviously your credit's better. And everyone's like, oh! And then like he walked up the stairs as we were walking out, and I saw him in real life, Michelle. I was like, oh my god! And then
High five everyone.
what?
Did you say hi?
No, he was like walking up, he was walking past me, and then like I want to take a picture because he grabbed someone else's phone like next to me and took a picture, and I was gonna photobomb it. And then I was like, go in there and stuff, and then like everyone started like flocking in, and like taking pictures and stuff. I'm like, I'm a short Filipino person, like I'm getting trampled over with all these like 6'2" guys and like taller girls, and I was like, I'm getting trampled. There were like very tall Filipinos.
That's when you know the next.
Yeah, like
Like, should find auto.
You're probably not getting good video because it's all smeared, right? Where you first
yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna find to buy a.
No, it's fine.
Are you sure about that? It's annoying. Look at this wiper. Look at that leg. That's the top of Scarlet.
That's a lot of snow. You must
Yeah.
live up there, up north.
Yeah, that probably like what, 6 inches?
More than that.
Why did he just like take that out? Carrying it down the snow. That's a big building over here. Should call her mom or Ate Jim or Ate Juliet. Yeah, we're in like Green Bay.
I love it. Because I love my mouth.
Is there any like Toys R Us here? Michelle?
Sorry.
Huh?
Is there any Toys R Us here?
I thought there was one in Green Bay. I'm pretty sure there is one in. Oh, you can go to Ulta. Oh, girl. Oh, your parents are in the car. Dad was like, there's things I could say. But
What
you got
should-
Cole's hiring. Jack, you have experience.
in Green Bay
Yeah, let me just drive to Green Bay every day.
in this kind of weather.
Hate it. It's not, there's no such thing as climate change. It's called weather.
Maybe we should just go watch a movie.
So we're gonna use this as our entrance then?
No, but Toys R Us time here.
Cold. Oh.
I think it's a separate building.
Yeah, it is.
Let me look.
Hey, Michelle just wanna watch movie here.
Really?
Are you serious about this? We just come here to watch movie.
It's 13 minutes away.
Look at this theater is huge.
To Toys R Us, Michelle?
Yes.
Okay, which way?
wow.
We gotta get out of the
Points
small
for us from
scene.
your kids, AJ, but I will really go to us for Elisha.
Yes, you wanted Barney.
That's like the age or something.
Yeah, Barney really scarred you.
Jack, chocolates.
What? Let's go.
Roses.
Oh my god, it's true. Can we go?
Can we go?
Tay, do you wanna go there, Tay?
Where?
Saruji's.
Now?
Yeah, we're here. So there's no Toys R Us in this
It's
area?
where is it exactly? No, it's a little over there. Over there. You know where? Yeah, in that direction.
Is this open or not?
Yeah, it's open. It's
No, the lights are not.
so maybe they close it because what? Yeah,
The snow store.
Monday. So
It should be open, but it's closed. Everything's closed.
it's closed that Tay. Because it's. Oh my gosh, really, Tay?
Oh, I think he's going to check it.
What a brave soul.
Do your side, please. No, do your side. I drive you guys up here. At least the least that you could do is.
Armor, mama.
Not that. Doing that part of the path.
Really? That's it? Really? What are you doing?
You know what, Tay? I told you.
Stand up
No,
on the running board.
No, I'm willing to buy a new, but you don't want to.
Oh boy. All you gotta do is flick it, mama.
That's a crappy wipe.
I'm wearing shorts.
Stay.
You know what? Wipers only probably 50 something bucks. Windshield is very expensive. Dirty fool. See, it doesn't. It's just crappy.
You know, Jack.
What did I
You did.
It's just so crappy, Tay. See?
You warned me about wearing shorts in Green Bay, and I didn't listen, so now I regret it.
Yeah, see.
Yeah, according to AJ, you're such a brave soul.
AJ's like, do you want to borrow my sweatpants? Really, AJ? Yeah, AJ, your sweatpants are big, but now they have
Chocolate. Chocolate is important in a snowstorm. So why are they closed?
Like
It's not because there's not a lot of people, I guess.
That's heartbreaking.
Hey Siri,
I have it on my phone.
directions to Toys R Us.
Getting directions to Toys R Us.
Yeah, get out of here, James.
No, you want
You smell. Sit. Sit. I will throw you in the snow and lose you. Sit.
You better hold him. He's a dirty boy.
See?
He's a golden one.
They closed it because of the what?
Barbie. So move your arm. Barbie. Come on.
What
Starting walking directions to Toys R Us.
Up Elijah. Come here.
In a quarter mile, take a right on South Oneida Street.
Just take right here.
Right?
Yeah, I would.
Huh?
I
Yeah.
would take it right here. So you're not going through the mall.
We got a lot of snow here. Wow.
Let's go back home.
Continuing with driving directions. In 500 feet, turn right onto South Oneida Street.
Still there. There's a Toys R Us.
Turn right onto South Oneida Street.
But that's not closing, is it?
All of them are closing.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
all-
Did
it's
that
all
make you
going-
money?
You didn't want toys when you were 7 years old, AJ.
Yeah, it's all because of you,
Yeah,
AJ.
it's all because of you. All because you didn't want toys anymore.
In 1.1 miles, turn left onto Lombardy Avenue.
Kid for like 3 years now?
I went to Toys R Us with them before.
Not often enough.
Apparently.
It's all because of us.
Oh, they got long johns over there.
Wow, KFC and
Yeah, I want a KFC. But no.
goodness. sounds like it's scratching.
That's what happened to your sticker. Makes sense.
Makes sense. What sticker was it?
This is a damn sticker.
You're dumb. Yeah, it's gonna wipe off of that.
down there though.
It's like hitting it. It stops at it. Because of the snow,
Wow,
it's
this
gonna
is
affect it too.
so different from Sheboygan.
Oh no, really? It's like we're not Sheboygan anymore.
You know, we passed the church in Sheboygan, like when I was driving to the bus. We were passing the church. And you know, I was like, Mom, what's that? Just on the cross. I was like, oh, it's a church. He's like, church for babies to cry? I was like, yeah. That's where babies cry. And he's like, yeah, babies cry. And then they're like, they look like this. They're like,
Yeah, you
and
know
they
though.
whine. Oh, wow. And then I was like, yeah, that's what happened. And he's like, yeah, babies cry a lot there. Yeah, you know it.
You know this.
He goes to church with my mom.
Really?
Yeah. But he likes it apparently. It's full stop. Look, so full stop. Yeah, you say that with all the snow.
Wow.
And I was hungry for some.
Is this what Sheboygan's supposed to look like?
There's Lambeau Field.
I
No, that's not
to
Lambeau.
Huh?
Notice how I say us.
All of us.
Oh, Lambeau Field's on the left.
Don Hudson's the center.
Guess what, Michelle? When we get to Toys R Us, it said this Toys R Us are closed, out of business.
Turn left onto Lombardy Avenue.
His breath just stinks.
Oh, flowers.
In half a mile, keep right onto South Military Avenue.
Their flower socks.
We are the path.
Never found this.
Wow, I thought that would have been more clever, but it's not.
No.
Right.
Some of these
Mali
houses
so
are
tayo.
the founders of Wham.
I don't think those are houses.
Yeah, these are houses over here. These are their backyards.
Yeah, they're like diehard Green Bay Packers.
Yeah.
On ice.
Moved here when on ice. On ice. Yeah.
Well, are we glad we took the Sequoia?
Yeah. I remember the sports
Hey,
that win.
you gotta give it to me. I'm the reason you took it.
I root for the sports that are winning.
You root for the sports that are winning.
Yeah.
That win.
Well, why are you
The
root
teams?
For, yeah, teams. Yeah, I know sports.
I know seasons.
Yeah, I root for the team that wins.
So how do you know which one's gonna
really
win?
Few people in them.
Keep right onto South Military Avenue.
This one here?
In 1.5 miles, turn left onto West Macon Street.
Did I sound like you?
No, Caleb, the person, she's like, hey, Jackie, man, if you're free tonight, I'm having the El Green party at 5 o'clock. Stop by and get some facials and a free gift bag.
Free facials?
I don't know.
Can I go?
She said get a facial and a free gift bag.
Can I go?
No, you have to pay for a facial. Then the gift bag is free.
Because they all have samples.
Where is that? In Alta? Huh?
Georgia Avenue, apartment 8. I don't know.
Just say, can I take my fam?
In 1 mile, turn left onto West Macon Street.
How much, though?
What you have to say? I said I wish I could go, but I'm here with my family right now. Trying not to die. Trying to do that.
Same time, I would do that too. I would put the pedal to the metal if I was in this little spot. I would have stopped.
Mighty duck.
change that R to an O.
Tay, balaan yung mga board, oh, no? It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I just now remember where Toys R Us is. It's on the.
Really?
It's gonna be on the right. So we have to make a left.
Only I can tie my shoes.
I'm really to Toys R Us in a mall
Barely.
area.
Barely.
Turn left onto West Macon Street. Then the destination is on your right.
That sounds like Toys R Us is around here. There's Party City.
TJ Maxx right there, Mom.
I
We
don't.
have a TJ Maxx in Sheboygan, guys. No, she's gonna go to Burlington. Oh, okay.
So Starbucks is closed.
Looks like it.
Looks like it.
No one's at work. Everybody called in probably.
Yeah.
What a wonderful day to
What do you think I was at? I don't know.
I wonder if Toys R Us is actually open now. I don't think you're in the turns.
Yeah, I just realized that.
What?
He's not in the turn lane.
It's covered by snow.
Yeah, no, the guy just went off.
Oh.
When I saw him, I thought, oh, there's a guy going the
Turn
wrong way.
left. Then turn left
Look
onto
at
South
you.
Military Avenue.
Stop.
Chili John's. What's beeping?
Proceed to the route. In 450 feet, turn right onto West Macon Street. Proceed to the route.
Look at it's really ice. Nobody's. The Burlington is closed. The Toys R Us are closed too because of weather. Michelle, this is a good.
Blame it on me.
This was a couple since when am I closed?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the sign says do not.
Yeah, they're
severe
closed,
weather.
Michelle.
Okay, do you know what Mom said around like the truck is still there? When there's toys in the truck.
Yeah, let's
Okay,
just.
tay, here.
Even the truck driver doesn't deliver.
You know what Mom said around 9? Oh, I want to go green myself.
Holy smokies! Holy smokies! Holy smokies!
Oh my goodness.
Stop it, tatay.
I have a baby in here.
Oh,
All we wanted was just the toys.
It looks just like I just wanted to get toys. That's all I wanted to do.
Yeah.
Tay, type this one tay in your phone.
At 12 p.m. Saturday, yeah, they're closed. We're a little late. 4 hours late.
Wait, what?
They said due to poor weather.
Because at 12 we're late.
We're a little late.
Just type it.
Do you think there's any rest weeks?
Just go there.
Alright, we'll catch you guys later. We gotta recalculate where we're going here. We'll be right back.
Let's go Milwaukee.